Well, good morning everyone. Welcome to Shandong Longzhe machine. Today we are sending our 5-ton per hour complete pellet production line to India. Behind me you can see this is the main pellet machine for the pellet production line. This pellet machine with a 160 kilowatt electric motor. The model number for this machine is XGG700. The capacity for this machine is 2 to 2.5 tons per hour. And as you know, our pellet machine is a kind of a multifunctional type of machines. It is suitable for many kind of material, for example, like wood sawdust, paddy straw, groundnut shell, sugarcane bagasse, all kinds of agriculture waste. This pellet machine, the ring die, the inner diameter is 700 millimeters, and it has a bigger size roller assemble and bigger size ring die, so it can achieve a high capacity to 2.5 tons per hour based on different materials. This pellet machine is right now very popular used in India market because it is a high efficiency type of machine, cheaper cost for the maintenance spare parts, and lower investment for the machine itself. As you can see, this machine we have an stainless steel, the input hopper, pelletizing room, the output hopper, and dust collection part, and it has a heavy industry gearbox, which is a top brand in China. And as you know that this is our latest generation, the 8th generation pellet machine. It has a downside pellet push system, and this machine will give you a longer lifetime warranty terms. For example, like we give you a 3 years warranty for this gearbox. We give you 1.5 years for all the electric motors, and you can assure that use the machine stable and efficiency. If you have any material you want to make a pellet for new biomass green energy requirement, please send your requirement to our team. Okay, everyone, that's all for today's introduction about Longzhe 160 kilowatt pellet machine. Thanks for watching today's video. I will see you next time. Bye bye.